It's a revolution. Forever. It's a revolution. Forever.
Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to download and install PostgreSql. This is the official page of the PostgreSql, and we can see that on March 1st released the last versions, so we are going to download that version. So for that we have to click here, and then we will have to choose between these 5 operating systems: BSD, Linux, Mac OS, Solaris, or Windows. You can choose what you have. In this case my operating system is Windows. Now in this Windows we have to click on download the installer, and it will be relinked to another Windows. In this new Windows we are going to choose your version, what you want. If you choose 10, this said that is support in all these versions, but if you have 9.2.24 it will be no support, so I recommend for you don't download this version. Then we have to choose our operating system, in this case Windows for 64 bits. Then we have to click on download now. Okay, we can see that the application it's being downloaded, so we have to wait almost 2 minutes, I think. Well, the download has finished, and we have this here in our desktop. We have to click on it, and we are going to start the process of the installation. First we have to set up some things. Okay, this is the first step. We said welcome to installation of PostgreSql. We have to click on next, and in this Windows we said please choose the folder where all the information will be stored. You can choose one or don't move anything, just click in next. Here say you can choose the components that you are going to install. In this case this is not necessary, so click on it and all is good, so click on next. Then we have to write our password. Here you can write whatever what you want. The password next, the password will be required in the moment when you want to start a project in the database. Here you can left this and clicking next, or you can choose your language, your language. In my case is Latin word. Well, he said that all the settings that will be used for the installation, so we have to click and next. and next. Well, the process has started and it lasts around 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So we are going to come back when it has finished. Well, guys, the process of installation has almost finished. Just we have to wait a few seconds. 25%, 75. So finish. Here in this Windows, just set that the process of installation has finished, and we have to click on finish. Or okay, now we are going to open PostgreSQL to show you the first step in the program, in the database, sorry. We have to go here in application and click on pgadmin 4. Okay, we are here in the database. We have to click on servers to create a new project, then in PostgreSQL 10. But in this step we is required of our password. Remember the password that you wrote, so we have to write it again. When you finish to write your password, you have to click on OK. So now we are connected to a server and we can create a new databases. For that we have to click on PostgreSQL 10, create database, and it will appear this new window. Here we have to write the new name, and if you want some comment, then click on save. Well, of that way you are created a new database, and that's it.